So Bitcoin ETF got approved. The bullish news finally came out, and this was the biggest news in history of crypto. Everyone was waiting for it, and I don't think there has been ever anything bigger than this, because everyone expects trillions of dollars flooding into the market because of it. And we saw a lot of action after that. We saw movements of $4,000 of candles, 4,000 up, down, then up, then down. And same was the case scenario here, where it went to $49,000 and then it dropped towards 45,600. So it is crazy movement, and that is why I wanted to take a break of 24 hours at least. Generally I take 48 hours when it's something like this, just to escape market from these kind of aggressive movements, where I could come and I can offer you a support, and then what happens is that it comes and it hits it. For this case scenario, even though if I had offered, it would have stayed, because the support is actually at $44,000, and all this drama, it didn't hit it. And right now it's sitting at 46,500, and our support is at $44,000. If Bitcoin wants to stay bullish and it wants to rally towards $50,000, then $44,000 is your support, which was its previous resistance. If that doesn't happen, then what will happen is that Bitcoin will go and test $40,000 for the first time. I mean, it has gone to 40,700 and something. It has kind of tested it, but it actually will go and hit 40K. And after that, it will see if it wants to break down of it, and go towards 35,200. That is going to be the story, but it needs to break 44 for that. If 44 is not breaking and it's not testing, then the rally is towards the up, and the up is 50K as the first target, because that's the psychological figure. It's a round number. People like that. After 50, we can start looking at further targets for Bitcoin. But at this point, there are no further targets than what I have already offered, and market is still not settled yet. Market has a lot of volume already, and if I look at it right now, yesterday the volume was through the roof, and just a second, even today it is through the roof, as I can see. So it is crazy, because let me show you. So it went from $40 billion of volume to $140 billion. So the volume is really high, and it's continuously increasing. Just on Binance is $30 billion, and Binance is the king of the market. It always is like the quarter of the volume is always with Binance, and then the rest of the crypto space exists. So the volume is really high. So please be on the lookout. When volume is high, the market can go up and down very rapidly. That's the problem with it. Otherwise, good volume is a good indication. It's a bullish indication. And like I mentioned, if 44 doesn't break, you can start seeing Bitcoin going towards 50K. So keep your eyes peeled, and take your positions with extra care, and use tight stop losses. So if market turns around, it doesn't catch you off guard and make you lose everything.